This is a short unboxing video of the Blink Video Doorbell. You have the front view here, the side view, the back view, another side. You also have the bottom and the top. Let's get the box open. And here in the box we have some paperwork. Here are some instructions to how to mount the doorbell, and then we have the doorbell itself. Let's put the doorbell aside and let's see what else do we have in the box. So we have the mounting bracket, we have some screws, we also have some paperwork here. We also have a removal tool and a pair of wires to help connect the doorbell to an existing chime within the house. We have a pair of AA batteries. And now let's concentrate on the doorbell itself. Now, on first impressions, it does look good, especially this white color. You have the side view, the back view, the top and bottom. On the bottom you can see this speaker grill, which will be helpful for two-way communication. The doorbell itself is quite clicky, the button is nice and solid. You've got two nuts for wiring within the house and the place to put the AA batteries. The camera is at 1080p with good daylight performance, and it also has a nighttime vision with infrared as well. The doorbell button has an LED around it which lights up every time you press it. Overall, it's excellent build quality for the price and excellent value for money.